ɛyɛ ne Bawku nsɛm a otumfuo o say tutu ababi o de ho report akɔ no. In fact, Akokoa so advice Cletus Avoka about commentary bi a wedi kan ameki before. Na asoman a ye pasundwe Bible kura kan se tekrema ewo hoi. Eti se jabubru etimi hye kwaye nyina. Enti after this particular reconciliation and peace meeting ye course a ehun report akon. Every commentary bia ebetimi insight afani bi no. Etwase ejai. You see, the problem no politicians. And they will rise no more make comments bia insight afa near the political tone the awuram na ye ya se betimi akofa asemo aba. Baby a ye dru no as Akokoa so said. Ye dru baby a asumdue bua no ye nom. It no political commentary. No say ye we a political party we and no nimbi. And per the report, you never heard the mentioning of any political party as a cause of any problem over there. One TBB asa a chair will say at the meeting, you know, politics sembia memo. Ubiani wako can say a MPP and 9 this in Tinema we chassis. And so politicians now sorry, I'm making a comment just to incite a family etiki bibia politics wo memuno. Let's be very careful. And I will urge His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Say, Obia or your politician be including those in your party. I will be making commentary be on radio anywhere. Ebe simu to downplay a juma or take a course. Atna se aye ewa sumdue bue yono. Ye mam running in ni. Let the law strike on that person. Na yentumi nya sumdue. Enough is enough. Bibia ni aye ne politics wo man mu. And that is fueling and somewhere Akokoa so bebre. And I like the straight message to Cletus Avoka. And this thing must stop. Sa commentary no. Ni nya sumdue the northern part of Ghana. Na bibia enkoye. Right, that's my take on Bawku conflict. No na or maybe